Unbelievable experiences await you in Dubai. It rises from the desert like a mirage. This city was once just a small trading post. Now it's a global hub. Dubai is a place of superlatives. The tallest building in the world? Check. The largest shopping malls? You bet. Dubai is a feast for the senses. It offers a glimpse into the future with a touch of Arabian Nights magic. Imagine soaring skyscrapers next to ancient souks. Picture pristine beaches alongside rolling sand dunes. Dubai is a city of contrasts, where tradition and modernity dance together. Whether you're an adventurer, a foodie, or a culture enthusiast, Dubai has something for you. Discover the secrets of the world's most luxurious city. This city will leave you breathless. Get ready to explore Dubai. This city is an exciting blend of old and new. It is a place where anything is possible. Finding the perfect place to call home in Dubai is an adventure. This city offers a diverse range of housing options. Whether you're looking for luxury or affordability, Dubai has it all. Imagine waking up to stunning views of the city's skyline in a sleek, modern apartment. Dubai is famous for its high-rise buildings. These towers offer state-of-the-art amenities. Think rooftop pools, gyms, and even concierge services. But Dubai also has more traditional housing options. You can find charming villas in gated communities. These communities often have parks, schools, and a strong sense of community. For those who prefer a taste of the past, there are historic neighborhoods. These neighborhoods offer a glimpse into Dubai's heritage. Imagine strolling through narrow alleyways and admiring traditional wind tower houses. No matter your budget or preference, Dubai's housing market has something for everyone. From luxurious high-rises to charming villas, you'll find your perfect oasis in this desert metropolis. So, start exploring and discover the Dubai neighborhood that feels like home. Get ready for a culinary adventure in Dubai. This city is a melting pot of cultures. This diversity is reflected in its incredible food scene. From street food to Michelin-starred restaurants, Dubai has it all. Craving authentic Emirati cuisine? Head to a local restaurant and savor the flavors of traditional dishes. Try makbous, a flavorful rice dish with meat or fish. Sample lukaimat, sweet dumplings drizzled with honey. Dubai is also a global dining destination. You can find cuisines from every corner of the world. Enjoy a romantic Italian dinner, savor spicy Indian curries, indulge in fresh sushi. Don't miss out on the city's many food festivals and markets. These events offer a taste of Dubai's multicultural culinary tapestry. Dubai is a foodie's paradise, ready to tantalize your taste buds with every bite. Dubai is a fascinating blend of old and new. Ancient traditions thrive alongside modern advancements. Explore the heart of Old Dubai in the Al Fahidi Historical District. Wander through narrow alleyways called sikas. Admire traditional wind tower houses. These houses were designed to keep homes cool in the desert heat. Visit the Dubai Museum. It's housed in the 18th century Al Fahidi fort. Discover the city's rich history and heritage. Experience the vibrant atmosphere of the spice and gold souks. These traditional markets are a feast for the senses. Haggle for spices, perfumes, and jewelry. Witness the beauty of Islamic art and architecture at the Jumeirah Mosque. This mosque is a stunning example of Islamic craftsmanship. Dubai's modern side is equally impressive. Marvel at the towering Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. Experience the thrill of skiing indoors at Ski Dubai. Dubai is a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. It's a place where tradition and modernity coexist, creating a unique and captivating cultural experience. Section 5. Dubai, After Dark Entertainment and Nightlife. As the sun sets, Dubai transforms into a vibrant playground. The city comes alive with dazzling entertainment and nightlife. Experience the magic of the Dubai Fountain Show. This spectacular show features dancing water jets, colorful lights, and music. It takes place at the base of the Burj Khalifa. Dubai offers a diverse nightlife scene to suit every taste. Enjoy live music and cocktails at a trendy rooftop bar. Dance the night away at a glamorous nightclub. For a more laid-back evening, catch a movie at one of Dubai's many cinemas, or enjoy a leisurely dinner cruise along Dubai Creek. For a unique cultural experience, attend a traditional Emirati performance. Enjoy traditional music, dance, and storytelling. Dubai's entertainment options are as diverse as its population. Whether you're looking for a wild night out or a relaxed evening, Dubai has something for you. Section 6. The Dubai Lifestyle. Work hard, play harder. Dubai is a city that embraces a work hard, play harder mentality. People in Dubai are known for their ambition and drive. The city attracts professionals from all over the world, creating a dynamic and competitive work environment. But Dubai also knows how to have fun. Weekends are for relaxation and enjoyment. Residents and visitors alike take advantage of Dubai's many leisure activities. Spend a day soaking up the sun on pristine beaches, indulge in retail therapy at world-class shopping malls, explore the desert on a thrilling dune-bashing adventure, or tee off at a championship golf course. Dubai offers a high quality of life with a cosmopolitan atmosphere. English is widely spoken, making it easy for expats to adapt. The city is safe and clean, with a low crime rate. Life in Dubai is a blend of hard work and well-deserved leisure. It's a city that rewards ambition and offers endless opportunities for enjoyment. Section 7. Shopping Extravaganza, from souks to megamalls. Get ready for a shopping experience like no other in Dubai. This city is a shopper's paradise. From traditional souks to sprawling megamalls, Dubai has it all. Immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and smells of the souks. These traditional markets offer a glimpse into old Dubai. Haggle for spices, perfumes, textiles, and souvenirs. For a modern shopping experience, head to one of Dubai's many megamalls. The Dubai Mall is one of the largest malls in the world. It boasts over 1,200 stores, an aquarium, an ice rink, and even an indoor ski slope. Find everything your heart desires. From luxury brands to high street fashion, electronics, homeware, and more, Dubai's shopping festivals are legendary. These festivals offer incredible discounts and promotions. They attract shoppers from all over the world. Whether you're looking for a bargain or a luxurious splurge, Dubai has something to satisfy every shopper's desire. Section 8. Exploring beyond the city day trips and adventures. While Dubai itself offers a plethora of attractions, don't miss the opportunity to explore beyond the city limits. Escape the hustle and bustle of city life with a day trip to the desert. Experience the thrill of dune bashing in a 4x4 vehicle. Ride a camel through the golden sand dunes. Enjoy a magical desert safari, complete with a traditional Bedouin dinner and entertainment. For a change of scenery, head to the Hajar Mountains. These mountains offer stunning views and opportunities for hiking and rock climbing. Visit the historic city of Hatta, nestled in the mountains, explore ancient forts, traditional villages, and picturesque wadis. Dubai's central location makes it a great base for exploring other parts of the United Arab Emirates. Take a day trip to Abu Dhabi, the capital city. Visit the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, a masterpiece of Islamic architecture. Dubai's surroundings offer a wealth of natural beauty, cultural attractions, and adventure opportunities. So, venture beyond the city limits and discover the hidden gems of the UAE. Section 9. Getting around transportation in Dubai. Getting around Dubai is a breeze, thanks to its efficient and modern transportation system. The Dubai Metro is a driverless train system that connects major parts of the city. It's a convenient and affordable way to travel. Taxis are plentiful and readily available. They offer a comfortable way to get around, especially for shorter distances. Dubai also has a network of buses that cover extensive areas of the city. For a more scenic journey, hop on a traditional Abra. These wooden boats ferry passengers across Dubai Creek. They offer a glimpse into old Dubai. If you prefer to drive, car rentals are available. However, traffic can be heavy during peak hours. Dubai is a very walkable city, especially within specific areas like downtown Dubai and Dubai Marina. Walking allows you to soak up the city's vibrant atmosphere and discover hidden gems. Dubai's transportation system is designed to make your journey as smooth as possible. Whether you prefer the convenience of the metro, the comfort of a taxi, or the charm of a traditional Abra, you'll find a transportation option that suits your needs. Section 10. Practicalities of Dubai. Life visas, currency, and more. Before you embark on your Dubai adventure, here are some practicalities to keep in mind. Most nationalities can obtain a visa on arrival in Dubai. However, checking the specific visa requirements for your country of citizenship is essential. The currency in Dubai is the UAE dirham, or AED. Credit cards are widely accepted, however, it's always a good idea to carry some local currency for smaller purchases and tips. Arabic is the official language of the UAE, but English is widely spoken, especially in business and tourism. Dubai is a Muslim country. It's important to respect local customs and traditions. Dress modestly when visiting religious sites. Avoid public displays of affection. Dubai has a desert climate with hot, humid summers and mild winters. Pack light, loose-fitting clothing for the summer months. Don't forget sunscreen, sunglasses, and a hat. With a little planning and awareness of local customs, you'll have a safe and enjoyable experience in Dubai. Section 11, Dubai, a tapestry of experiences. Dubai is more than just a city, it's a tapestry of experiences. It's a city that defies expectations and pushes the boundaries of what's possible. From its towering skyscrapers to its ancient souks, Dubai is a place of contrasts and wonder. Whether you're seeking adventure, luxury, or cultural immersion, Dubai has something to offer everyone. Explore the city's rich heritage and modern marvels. Indulge in its culinary delights and shopping extravaganzas. Experience the thrill of its entertainment and nightlife. Dubai is a city that will leave a lasting impression on your heart and mind. So, pack your bags, embrace the unexpected, and embark on an unforgettable journey to Dubai, a city that truly has it all.